Today I'm making goulash, the national dish of Hungary. This dish traces back all the way to the 9th century when herdsmen who traveled in groups of 5 or 6 would herd their cattle around the country and sell them off to make money. Because they were constantly mobile, they had to be smart about how to make portable meals. They would add spices to meat, cook it, and dry it out so they could store it for later meals. When they were ready to eat it, they would add water to create a stew, which became the earliest form of Hungarian goulash. Because herdsmen traveled far and wide, this recipe reached many parts of Europe, including Austria, Poland, Ukraine, and Serbia, to name a few, which each had their own versions. What makes this dish distinctly Hungarian is the large amount of paprika that's added. However, this was a newer addition considering it was not introduced into the Old World until the 16th century when it was brought from the Americas. Though it started in Hungarian territory, goulash is loved by people all over Europe.